Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Hevy Gym Log Workout Tracker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, first of all open your Play Store or App Store and search Hevy. There you can see Hevy Gym Log Workout Tracker on the top. Tap on it and then press install. It might take a while to install the app in your mobile, depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, you can open it and track your workout to make your fitness journey easier. This much for today. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for our latest videos. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.